Welcome back, my friends. Let's clean and organize my small refrigerator. This is very unaesthetic, my friends. I'm just gonna use what I have to clean and to organize it. Friends, I'm sitting down in a little stool because I don't want to hurt my back. Bending down, up and down, up and down. So I'm gonna get everything that I don't need in here, throw it away. So I don't want to put the trash can right here, right in front. So I'm gonna go ahead and use a bag, and then I'm gonna give everything a clean. I love using this spray, friends. It's super awesome.
I've been feeling so small. Watch the clock ticking off the wall. But tonight I'm letting it go. Spend my coin for sure. I'm gonna be myself, or I could be some.
My friends, I'll be using just what I have to clean and to organize. I know I had a lot of clear containers and bins in my fridge when I used to live with my mom, but my friends, I'm not gonna spend any money on buying everything again. Everything that I had, I left it over there, and I'm just not willing to spend right now just to organize. And it's okay, friends, it's okay. We just organize what we have, as long as it's neat and we can see everything, what we need or what we don't need. It's okay, my friends. Also, my friends, because my fridge is smaller and it's more easier to manage, my pantry is way smaller and it's super easy to manage, and I'm okay with it. Maybe in the future, but I don't think so. I'm happy the way it turned out, and I'm happy the way I can keep everything neat and tidy, my friends. And so, yeah, friends. So, I hope you enjoy this mini organization video. I just did the bottom part. In another video, I'll do the top. And I hope you enjoy this, my friends. I hope I could inspire you in some way. Thank you so much for tuning in always and for leaving me your amazing comments. I really appreciate you all. Every single comment, I appreciate it so very much, my friends.
You can do whatever you like, you don't have to be ready. You just gotta trust the right, don't have to be scary.